It's got to go out on Sunday night. Is it going to pick it up in the morning? Yeah, we're going to pick it up in the morning. It'll be all gone. I know. Yeah, it'll be all gone. All morning. It'll be gone. Yep. It'll be all gone. Well, whatever you say, it'll be gone by the morning. Yeah, well, you never know if they're going to come early or late. This is how it works. Yeah.